I'm Dr. Navoday Gilla, consultant physician, KIMS Hospitals, Gachibowli. Today I'm here to tell a few things about monsoon hiccups. Probably everyone might be thinking, what is monsoon hiccups? It's only the problems which monsoons brings with it. As everyone knows, during monsoon, many of you might be aware that doctors telling more about infections. That means waterborne, mosquito-borne, different varieties of infections that do come across in the monsoon. But I also want to tell you there are some other important things that do monsoon bring with us. If you go with the system wise, especially regarding bones and joints, these problems will be very common. During monsoons, as there is lot of rain, there might be a water stagnation. So it might be creating a slippery surfaces, and the persons, let it be young, middle age or older, who are going through these slippery surfaces might slip and have a fall. And this slip and fall can't be taken easy because there might be imported regions which can lead to fractures like fracture of the skull, fracture of the bones in the spine or hip. The next common problem with the low temperatures during monsoon or winter, which is going to increase, is pain or arthritis in the joints. So what does happen during the monsoon? The joint fluid gets stiffened. This can lead to stiffness of the joint movement and pain increase. It also leads to contractures or shortening of the tendons, muscles, which also will lead to stiffness around the joints. And during winters, as usual, many people might not be going out, so there might be deficiency in vitamin D, and long standing sitting or immobility due to the rainfall or cold weather outside. The immobility also is a factor that joint pains increase. So during this monsoon or winter seasons, I urge people to be careful in the places where water is stagnant to avoid fractures, and consult doctor if your pain around the joints increase. Thank you.